Hi, welcome to step 2 of connecting your VB application to your Access database. So the first thing, we have already created our Access database in the previous lesson. So now we're going to open a Windows application form, a Windows form, and we'll come to this interface. Then the next thing we have to do, on our left, we have to look for our data sources, and then we click here where it's written add new data source, and then we click on database. Next, yes, data sets. So we're trying to connect our application which we are building to our database, right? So in the previous application we want a new connection, so we are maintaining the same data source which comes default, the OLEDB, and then the database file name is the name of the database that we just made. So in this case, our database, if you remember, it was called StudentsDB. So we click on StudentsDB, then we open, right? And then after we've selected our database, we click on test connection. It must say test connection succeeded, and then we click on OK. Right. And then after clicking on OK, our StudentsDB must be shown there. That's our new connection. Then we click on next. This we want to copy the project, the output, but every time we run the application, so in this case I'm going to say no, and then I'm going to click on next, right? And we get to this window whereby we have got our tables, right? So what do I want? I want all of these fields and from this table, right? Then I click on finish like that. And after I click on finish, it must be quite visible here. Now we've got our students table, right? So if I click on this students table, you see all of the fields which are there, right? So we are on data grid view. We then select details. After we've selected details, we click and hold, then we drag it to our actual form. And notice all of our objects, they appear here, right? And on at the bottom here, we've got our binding source, our table adapter, and all of these new objects which are here, right? So this is the next step in connecting to the database. I hope we're all together, and in case you have a problem, you can just stop and go back, right? So let's meet for step 3 next video. Thank you.